In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose apps. Now select app lock at the bottom and choose turn on. Over here, you need to create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And tap on Next at the bottom right corner. You can log in to your Mi account right away by selecting Add. If you don't want to do that, click on Not Now and choose Not Now in the pop-up after 5 seconds. In order to lock all of those apps, click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't want to do that, click on all of them. Check for 0 and tap on Use App Lock then. Over here, you can tap on Settings in Fingerprint Unlock pop-up to add your fingerprint to unlock your apps. I will go with Cancel though. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case YouTube. So now when I go back and try to access YouTube app, icons that pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock from this app, go into the same settings, enter your app lock pattern, and click on this blue sweater next to your app. If you want to disable app lock feature completely, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner and tap on the sweater next to app lock feature. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!